Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about the MTS15 tension strap. But before I can get into that, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on our other videos. The MTS15 tension strap is a tested high-capacity connector used in tension application for mass timber construction. It's lightweight and easy to transport, and it's engineered out of high-strength steel with a powder-coated finish. It can be used in various applications such as wall-to-wall connections, diaphragm connections, and reinforcing around openings. The geometry of the MTS15 allows it to be used in wall-to-wall connections where the floor panel in the middle is a 5-ply CLT panel. The MTS15 is installed onto the timber element using a total of 24 ASCII Combi LT 1/2 inch by 6 1/4 inch self-tapping screws. These Combi self-tapping screws have an ICC code approval in the United States. They're specifically designed for high-capacity steel-to-wood connections, and they can be installed either using a magnetic socket or an AW drive bit. Detail capacity and system behavior of the MTS15 tension strap can be found in MTC Solutions Connectors Design Guide, which you can download off of our website. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time.